Next up, we have stunning blazers from Indophilia. I absolutely love their blazers. From India to all the way to Australia, proudly made in India. Every piece is priced around 3,000 rupees and you get such thick quality blazers for this price point. Amazing, right? This is another blazer from Indophilia. It's very thick and comfortable to wear. And these are formal pants from Mango. This goes very well with white or black shirts. I also asked my parents to add some tea filters, traditionally from Chennai, because I love chai. We have some cute sneakers here. We also have some running shoes. Next up, this is a spice box. There are Indian stores here, but spices boxes are way too expensive here, so I kind of got one from India.